Okay, so we got the request to build an email communication tool within OpenMR, and there isn't one that you can go and send a mass email to everybody who's in the system. There's the email reminder, but again, you can't control that. You can only put in a message, and it's only for those patients that have an appointment. Now, but what if you want to send all the patients in the system a notification via mass email? Well, this is what we're building. So when you go to the patient client and go to email, you'll see this link here to email. It'll bring you to the email communications tool. And then we're going to have you put in a subject and a message that's going to go out to everybody who in the system has an email in their profile. Okay? And when you click send, what we're going to do is have this to store the message and then send it at a later date and time. So that one, you don't have to sit there and wait for the system to send it out real time, because if you got thousands of patients, that's going to take a while, and you don't want the system stuck that way. So what we're going to do is set up a background time and store it in a log, and then the system will grab that log at an off-peak hour time and send that out to patients. Thanks for watching.